Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia G50. In this video I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. At the beginning, enter Google app, tap more, go to settings, Google Assistant, and enter Hey Google and voice match. Make sure this function is on.
You're as smart as Grace Hopper.
Now you can simply say, Hey Google, call Lily.
Calling Lily. Mobile.
And that's the process how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Unfortunately right now I'm not able to do it because this phone does not have SIM card insert in. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.